Hi, my name is Hans Van Den Elzen. I'm the president and co-founder of a company that makes yo-yos. We sell yo-yos all over the planet. Kind of a cool job. Somebody's got to do it. Today I'm at NoFlyZone, and I brought a 1995 Mazda Miata with a fast-forward Supercharger kit on it. This kit puts anywhere from 190 to 205 to the wheels. There's no intercooler. It just uses a fifth injector to do to cool that intake charge, and it just drives like a Miata until you put your foot in it, and it just goes. It's a lot of fun. We picked this car up about 10 months ago. Since we picked it up, I've done paint, redid the interior, brakes, clutch, supercharger, radiator. This car, it's a lot of fun as a daily driver, and it's amazing the power and the grip that this car has. So the fast forward kit that's on this car, we installed it this year. I did it in a weekend. Basically, it's pretty plug and play. There's no intercooler. No water intercooler, no meth injection or anything like that. It cools the intake charge through a fifth injector. So this fifth injector, if you look on the kit, it helps do all the cooling. The cool thing about this kit is you could drift it sideways all day long and not heat soak. It just, through that fifth injector, keeps everything nice and cool. All of the fueling and spark control, everything is done through piggyback computers. Everything is, it's just like driving a Miata around until you put your foot into it, and it just goes. Some cool mods that we've done to the car. It's got Toyo Proxy 888s wrapped around Advanti storm wheels. They're 15x8s with a plus 25 offset, so pretty fat tires, pretty fat rims. Also, we brought along Torco, just in case I put the wrong octane in the car today. That accelerator really helps knock the knock out. And if you want to follow me and check out the car and its modifications, you can see Johans34 on Instagram.